I've never had multi-partners.
There's a killer among us.
And it happened to me.
This killer is invisible.
I never used drugs.
This killer is AIDS.
But look at me. I trusted just one man.
Hilda is part of the largest group of women in America infected with HIV. 63% of women infected with HIV are African American women. The Latino community is the second largest group, with an 18% infection rate. The message here:
to really educate themselves, to take the chance and just find out about this disease, because this disease does affect them. It affects everybody.
It has become more an epidemic of women in this country that are getting newly infected and dying from HIV.
AIDS is the #1 cause of death for African American women between the ages 25 to 34. It's the 4th leading cause of death among Latinos between the ages of 35 and 44. Why is it so pervasive in these communities?
Probably government did a disservice by trying to pigeonhole who gets HIV. And I think it's comforting to some people to think that it's someone else that can get HIV. So in the beginning of the epidemic, it was felt that HIV was just a disease of gay men. Therefore, heterosexual Caucasian people or people of African American origin didn't think that this affected them.
HIV and AIDS still carry a huge stigma. Hilda and a group of friends have put together a skit to educate people in the African American communities about AIDS, but
we have been trying to push it. We've been trying to get into black churches with our play, and we have had no luck.
Their play deals with a man that's on the down low, a somewhat taboo subject.
Your HIV test came back positive.
What? When you look at an African American community that's so steeped in religious values, right, and religion has for a long time put a lot of value statements on being gay or bisexual in a very negative way.
Hispanics have a similar problem with the spread of HIV and AIDS.
That is part of the culture. Men, they don't perceive themselves as gay. So it's a lot of, they have sex with men and they have sex with ladies, with their wives.
There's a reluctance in the African American and Latino communities to openly discuss HIV and AIDS, especially when it deals with men who have sex with men, but classify themselves as straight. Women have to face this reality. Experts say having unprotected sex without knowing someone's HIV status is completely foolish.
Men lie. A man that wants to have sex will lie.
Reporting for Daybreak OC, I'm Allison Landrum.